Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So I hope you got my message on Telegram yesterday around the DAX. We had some pretty good results coming through from Deutsche Bank and a few other minor ones, but that really didn't impact the markets, the DAX, at all. We sort of rallied, and then we just followed the USA and just went into that holding pattern. I'm still of the opinion that we have consolidated fairly long at the moment. Most of the month, we've got today and tomorrow left in the month, and one of the longest and smallest range that I have seen on the DAX in a long time. So at the moment, it is still range bound. We do have the oscillators crossing over at the moment, indicating we need to be looking for a buying opportunity, and we also have a little bit of diversion. So there's a previous swing low, which is here. And now here's a current swing low, which is over, well, not that fractal, but over here. And you can see what's happening. So that's heading lower while price is heading higher. So at the moment, we should be looking for opportunities to buy into this. Got a bit of a gap here going into the close. We didn't really do anything. And I don't think the market's doing much at the moment. I just want to double check. I think the only thing that's really doing well is NASDAQ, that implies that the S&P 500 will be doing well. The DAX futures, DAX futures is flat, so 15,329, which is pretty much very close to where we closed, yeah. Okay, so putting all of that into context on the hour, so we can see if there's some opportunities here. The only good thing that I can see at the moment is that we have managed to stay above the moving averages. And the other second good thing we have here is diversions. So there's low, lower, low, low, high, and we have a crossover brewing. So yes, I think we may actually break through this consolidation phase today. Not going to hold my breath too much. I want to see a break and retest before I get in on a trade, but it does look fairly interesting. So 15,340 is the area we need to get through. And just looking at what's going on here, see how we're holding the moving averages, oscillators grouping to the downside. It's fairly good. We're not off a level. That's the only thing that concerns me. So we need to get up above a level and back. So these two areas, 15,325 and 15,340 are the ones to watch. Just want to have a look at the 15 minutes, see if we have anything else. We've got gaps everywhere. So we've got a gap there. We have a gap here, and we have a big gap here as well. Just look to the left, we've got another one here, we've got another one there, we've got another one there. There are lots of gaps to the downside, so 50-50 guys, you might as well just toss a coin. We could get a break and a retest and a bit of a run, but with all these gaps here, I have a sneaky suspicion it's back to the bottom of the range today. And the other thing that you can look at here is that you had this trend running over 2 days, and it's a break and a retest of the trend, and also retest the top of the range. So yeah, you might as well just toss a coin. I think there's just no ways you're gonna second guess this one. So there's merit for a move to the upside, and there's also merit for a flag break. Where's your flag? There's your flag there. There's merit for a flag break and a move to the bottom of the range, because that where the flag starts, which is down here, that would be your second target. First target is here in the middle, which we barely missed. Second target is going to be down the bottom here. So that seems to be the most logical move at the moment, is another move to the downside and then a move to the upside. And before we close off, just going to get on to the monthly. There you go. So although we've been ranging all month, it's still a green bar at the moment, for today. But we've got 2 days to go in this month. If you look at that setup there, you really do want to see a pullback. You actually would prefer to see a fairly deep pullback down to this area here before you can start buying the 13,800. And everything is indicating that we are a little bit tired as well. The week is forming a flag, and you can see, and it's a green flag at the moment, but very tired as well. Anyway, so I'm still staying out of this. I don't think I want to get involved just yet. It looks like there's merit for a move back to the downside and then probably a buying opportunity at the bottom of the range. That's what I would do. But if we do break and come back and retest, then that's the confirmation I'll be looking for, and I'll be looking to buy into that. Okay, so anyway guys, that's it for me. Pretty much the same as yesterday, but same as the whole of the month, but that is the way the market runs sometimes. Hope it helps you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.